Welcome to this demo on how to create document templates in Haletale. In this video, we'll walk through the process of setting up a script-based template and demonstrate its key functionalities. To begin, navigate to the Documents section. Here, you'll find two different ways to create a new template. Click on Document Templates, and you'll see options for 1. Script-based templates and 2. PDF-based templates. For this demo, we'll focus on the script-based template, which is most commonly used for custom agreements. To create an agreement, start typing directly into the editor. You can add dynamic fields such as date created. This automatically fills in the current date. Move in and move out dates. These fields will be populated dynamically when the template is used. This feature ensures that every agreement includes pre-filled data, eliminating the need for manual entry. On the right side, you'll find an Add More button. This allows you to insert additional placeholders, pulling in data such as tenant details, lease terms, and other key information. You can also delete unnecessary sections. Add custom text. Insert page breaks, bold, underline, and other formatting elements. Include dynamic variables that pull tenant or property data automatically. Once your template is ready, hit Save and give it a meaningful name. Now that we have saved the template, these can be accessed in two places. 1. Within Property Details. 2. From the Documents page, you can select a template and apply it to different applications. Now, let's generate an agreement using the template. Click Generate Agreement, and the system will automatically pull the required data and populate the document. Once generated, the agreement is instantly emailed to all involved parties, including the homeowner and the tenant. Once an agreement is sent out, you can track its status in real time. When a party signs the document, their signature will appear, confirming completion. And that's it. With Haletale's document templates, you can streamline your lease agreements, eliminate manual work, and enhance your document management. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more features or reach out for support.